In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can put a website maintenance page just like this one on your WordPress website. So with that said, let's get started. So let me switch browser. So you want to log into your website by going to your domain name /wp/admin. Once you're logged in, scroll down to plugins, select add new. Here, you're going to search for WP maintenance. There's a bunch of plugins you can choose from, right? The one I was using was Lightstart. So let's select install now. Select activate. Now scroll over to the menu section and select Lightstart or whichever plugin you downloaded. Here, you can choose the maintenance page that you want. So I'm going to choose this one and select continue. So my plugin has been successfully activated. And that's pretty much it. When you go to your website, you should be seeing that maintenance page. You can always go to settings and make additional changes to the maintenance plugin settings. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.